Hey everyone, welcome to Sourcetable. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started using Sourcetable. So if this is your first time here, this video will teach you everything you need to know to get started. So in a nutshell, Sourcetable is an AI spreadsheet designed to help you get your work done quicker. When you open up a new workbook, there's two main components. There's the actual spreadsheet with AI built into it, and there's an AI assistant on the right. Both of these components are great for getting AI to help you in different ways. So in your spreadsheet, when you click on the purple dot in the upper right corner of a cell, you have the option to insert a link, automatically fill in missing data, or clean your data. You can also chat with your data directly using this chat bar. The second component of Sourcetable is the AI assistant, and you can use Sourcetable's AI chat assistant to do work for you. So clicking on the microphone button next to the chat bar enables voice to text, which is much faster than typing out what you need. Generate a sample dataset with hourly weather data from Seattle. Put the date and the time in different columns. Alright, so here's my sample dataset generated by Sourcetable, along with some context about the data. I'll just go ahead and insert this table into my spreadsheet. Now, anything you need to do with your data, you can just ask the AI assistant to do for you. Just highlight the data that you want to work with and ask the AI assistant for what you need. Create a line graph showing temperature and humidity over time on March 22nd. Alright, so the AI assistant generated a really nice chart for me that I can insert into my spreadsheet or download. And when I click on this chart, you can see that it's actually interactive. So I can hover over the data in my chart and it shows the actual data points. You can also see that the AI analyzed the data in the chart for me. You can also have Sourcetable create pivot tables for you. So again, just highlight all of the data you want to work with and just ask for what you need. Create a pivot table to aggregate the average temperature and humidity each day and the total precipitation each day. And there's my pivot table. I can manually make edits, or I can ask the AI assistant to edit the pivot table for me. So that's a high-level overview of how to get started using Sourcetable. Check it out for yourself, play around with the AI assistant, and find ways to get your work done quicker. Thanks for watching.